If you are worried about your keyboard sound while typing any phone number or while typing any messages, then keep watching the video to get your solution. If you type any phone number like this, you get a keyboard sound, which is called keypad sound. Okay, so if you want to mute this sound, how can you do this? Look at the top right corner, there is a three-dot icon, so click on it. Now click on call alerts and ringtone. Scroll down a little bit. Now look at the last second option, play sound for keypad taps. So if you want to mute the keypad sound, just turn it up like this. So this was the first condition. Now I'm gonna show you the second condition. While you are having a keyboard sound while you are typing something. Go to your settings. Now click on sounds and vibration. Now click on system sound. From this option you can mute your keyboard sound. I'm using a Samsung phone, so it's showing a Samsung keyboard. And if you want to turn off your keyboard sound, just turn this option off like this. Okay? And your keyboard sound will be muted. So if you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like, and if you want to watch more this kind of helpful videos like this, then do subscribe to the channel right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you, bye bye.